There is a Ram and there is a Sham. So there is a Ram and there is a Sham. These two young men has different characters. One is a very thoughtful, other one is very much reactive. He will react at any point of time at whatever thought came or whatever reaction came from the other person. But Ram is very thoughtful. Sham is reactive. Thoughtful, reactive. What happened? Any kind of event used to happen, they both used to go, participate, enjoy. And what happened? The situation used to sometimes becomes like Shyam used to get into some kind of like arguments with lot of people and all, and sometimes it becomes very much abusive. But Ram, since he is thoughtful, understand that what is right and what should be taken care, what the steps has to be taken, and so he is sometimes responsible for making him, consoling him, or making him understand that yes, you should not do this. So Ram and Shyam, one is very reactive, other one is very much thoughtful. Now what happened? They graduated from their colleges and all. Now it's time for them to look for a job. In terms of qualification, both are more or less equivalent. Okay. Now when they go for a job, applies for the same company. Incidentally, it happened that they are applying for the same company. They got the opportunity. They are invited for the interview also. Incidentally, it happened. Now, whom do you think that the possibility of getting the job is high? Your answer would be that Ram is having the highest chances of getting the job. Why do you think so? Your answer would be that since Ram is thoughtful, so he must have given his interview right. Absolutely right. If your thinking is this, absolutely right. Making the other factors constant. We are not going to talk about the other factors, the other variants. But these two things, one is very thoughtful and other one is very reactive, differentiate the characteristics, the personality of two individuals, and that's why it matters. Think before you speak. Think before you speak. It's a very important element of communications or public speaking or any conversation which you want to do with anybody. If you are not thoughtful, the problem, as I told you, that Sham gets into some kind of arguments or some kind of abusive situations, which is not good. And it's only the Ram who used to console him, control him, help him to come back to the normal situations, mentally, emotionally, or physically. So, one has to be very much thoughtful. Now, why thoughtful actually? Thoughtful is important so that you know what's the next step. You will know. You can understand what your next step should be. You get an idea. Yes, this should be the next step. Not somebody else should tell you. If somebody else is directing you, then you are not the leader. And that's why you need to be thoughtful. People has been saying, think before you leap. This is very true. If you're blind and then you are leaping, that's like you can fall into the swamp. You may fall into a swamp, which is not good actually. So that's why think before you speak. In any criteria, in any situations, any kind of situations of your life, be thoughtful, understand the situations, understand the consequences that is going to happen. It's very important element. If I talk about the communication skill, if you wanted to improve your communication skill, let me tell you, this is very important. You have to be thoughtful, you have to be mindful of what you are speaking. It's like when you shoot a pistol, the bullet used to goes out. Do you expect that the bullet is going to get into it back? It's not going to happen. It is never going to happen that the bullet which you shoot went out. It is not going to come back and get into your pistol. You cannot rewind it. Once happened is happened. Same thing, whatever you have spoken, it is never going to go back into your mouth. Never going to happen that. Once you have spoken, has gone out. Now whether your words is very good or it is very hurtful or it is very blissful or it is joyful, it depends upon you. How you spoke, what words you selected to speak. It's very, very important. You need to be very much selective on using the word. Choose your word, what words you are speaking, which words will fit into your sentence. Otherwise, it can be hurtful for some person. Although it can be fun for other people, but the other person is getting hurt now, and that person, if he is getting hurt by you, that is not good actually. And that's why you need to be very much selective of words. And that's where one very important element of communication skill plays into it. If you wanted to be very good communicator, being a good communicator does not mean that you are able to speak to anybody. Being a good communicator, it means that you are able to speak what you think inside your mind. The same thing has to be delivered to the other person. If this is able to do it, then you are a very good communicator. The same way how you think inside your mind, it should be delivered to the other person. Same way. It should not be distorted. It should not be that you think something else and the other person is thinking something else. That's not called a good communication. If you're having a good communications, then you have a superpower in with you. You can do anything. If you're able to speak out your mind, that's a great ability you are having. You can mark my words. You have a great ability. Communication skill is very, very important for your life, for your success, for your career, for anything. If you're having these skills, your life is very successful. It will not be difficult for you to find a good job. It will not be difficult for you to have many connections. It will not be difficult for you to get any favor from anybody. It will not be difficult for you to have lots of friends. It will not be difficult for you to climb the success ladder. It will not be difficult for you to get a promotions in your company. It will not be difficult for you to reach out to the CEO level. It will not be difficult for you to become the CEO of your company if you are having the right communication skill with you. Very, very important. So friends, develop this. Be thoughtful. First criteria is that you have to think. You need to be mindful. You need to, the second criteria is also coming. Second criteria, it's a kind of like very important element, a principle that you need to follow, that you also have to listen. So listening I'll talk on the next day, but this is one important thing, that you have to be thoughtful. You have to be mindful. Next, listening, I'll talk about the listening skills because this is very, very important. Without this, nothing exists. Your communication go waste if you're not listening to the other people. You are going to be a hue and cry, a chaos anywhere you are going. So I'll talk on this the next day. I hope whatever I spoke, it was helpful for you, and do let in the comment your thoughts, what you think, and what any kind of help you wanted. I'm committed to help you for your communication skill. And so 30-day life challenge is going on. This is second day. Today I just spoke on how you have to be thoughtful, mindful when you're speaking to anybody. Tomorrow again, active listening skill, how you can develop with you. We'll be talking on that one. So friend, see you then again tomorrow at the same time. Till then, take care. This is Naresh Mahato. Bye bye. Done speaking.